your first day after all. Watch your master spread his wings. Most welcome to the Sears Tower, the tallest building in North America. You're heading up to the famous Sears Tower sky deck at floor 103. The tower stands 110 stories high. But don't forget about those antennas.
It says here, those antennas are over 1,738 feet out.
That's right. There's 43,000 miles of phone cable. How's that for a real long-distance call?
Enough phone lines stretch across America 15 times.
On a clear day, you'll see 50 miles in each direction. The building is so tall,
It's the length of 5.5 football fields.
exactly. Hey, folks, watch your step and enjoy the view.
I thought that went well.
That's right. Is it really? It has a TV in here.
Great. Yeah.
Use the pop.
You ready?
You use pop? A little bit. No big deal.
Yeah, so
That's Let's go to the
okay, let's find a good spot.
Hi, nena. Hola, tía. ¿Dónde está mi mamá?
Here's the spot.
Everything looks so pretty. Even an airplane would look pretty from all the way up here.
I agree.
A flying airplane would look many.
Look at that boat down in the river. Look how small it looks down there.
Yeah. Oh, wow. This is awesome.
Let's go over here and look at the lake. Come on. Mitch. Mitch.
Wow. Holy moly, is that awesome?
Look at all those boats down there.
Hey, that's where we were. That's the Adler Planetarium. Right over there. We were way out there. Isn't that interesting? And then where's the Shed Aquarium? The Shed Aquarium's that big building then, right? With the